Oh my god! Oh my god! We're at this, I don't even know how to say it. Some like camp from like the 1700s. And we found this stuff. I don't know. There's a building. It's just me and Owen. There's a building like right over there. We're gonna try to find our way to that. But there's a map. This is stop number 2. I don't even know what those are supposed to be. The map thing, it has like numbers on it. I don't think that's right. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We found this thing and it's just like it's like a tour thing. So I guess we just follow the path. Here's the map, but we don't really understand it because I think that is 4. But we don't know, like, it shows other buildings, but I don't know, like, what, I don't know, because those things we first saw, those might, I don't know if they count that as a building or not. There's a 4 on it, and there's, whatever those are. Oh, you can't go in there.
No. It makes sense. That's the barn wall. Yeah, so there has to be another building over that way.
So I guess those are what this used to look like. Now it's that.
See, if that's the barn wall, there's another building over there.
So we found this trail. That's the little house thing. There's a little slab. We think that's number 5. But I don't know what this is supposed to be. What is this? Oh, I think I had a tick on me. Oh, wait, what?
Log cabin.
So,
Senior staff house.
This is a log cabin.
Oh, there might have been 3. Staff house.
Oh, there's
house.
one over there. One here. Maybe another one over there. Oh wait, I think right here was one. There's one. Here's one.
I think 6 is that way.
We came down the road a little bit. This is number 6. You can see it on the pole, and it's.
It was a campsite.
Spot. This was just a parking spot. A little bit more down the street. I think that's number 7.
Oh, that car's gone.
We parked back there. There was another car back there, but now it's gone, so. It's a little strange.
Yeah, this is probably 7.
Yeah, that's the name of it. Camp Michaux, I think.
Either that or Michaux. I don't know.
Michaux. Something like that. So what did this used to be?
Forestry office.
So this was some type of office.
Interrogation building.
Interrogation building. I don't know what they interrogated, but...
I think this is where like a camp, like the leaders were, I guess. What's this woods?
What kind of camp was this? Was this like...
Oh wait, this is on one. The roads.
Because when I think of camp, I think of like a summer camp. But I don't... It was in like World...
I think it was a prison camp.
Oh.
Yeah, it was a prisoner of war camp.
So it's a prison
1943 to
camp.
1945.
So pretty much a World War II prison camp. So not a summer camp.
Oh. Thousands of German and Japanese officers were brought here and interrogated by American military intelligence.
So people were interrogated here for World War II.
Oh, it was a prisoner of war camp, but then it closed and land was sold to a church camp and served a purpose from 1948 to 1972. the church camp closed and the remaining buildings of the land were auctioned off and dismantled.
So it went from a prisoner of war camp and turned into a church camp. That's like two completely different things, but now we're going down this path. Here's number 8. It just says historical mark on the map.
Wait, there might be a thing online.
Looks like it says something on it. But it has a logo or a symbol. I don't know what that means. Oh wait, there's something over there. Is that a bridge?
Wait, that's 25. I think that's 25.
Oh, so we'll come back here at some point.
I mean, we can walk down the. We can walk and see if there's a marker that says what it is.
It's 25.
Yeah,
So we'll come back to this. So I don't know what this is yet. Here's number 9. There's some type of fountain back here. This is like a fountain. Okay, so this is 10. It just said compound gate. It's just that left, so there's not really anything right here. Okay, so this is 11. It's some starfish thing.
CCC star.
Whatever CCC means. This is 11. I don't know what.
Civilian Conservation Corps.
So this is their logo. Or a symbol, I guess. Some type of
It was
pit.
15.
So I have to walk across these. I think we were already at 15. I think I already showed it on here. It's like the place where the Germans eat. We have to go through this muddy mess. But yeah, this is 15. This is just like where the German prisoners ate their foods. It's kind of crazy that someone ate their last meal in here, probably. And there's another tick on me. Sock. That's just mine. But there was a tick. So 15, it wasn't just where they ate, it's where the Germans slept too. So like they lived and ate there.
So that used to be a mess hall. This was the barracks.
Ah.
So that's where they.
So yeah, we were right. That's where the Germans ate. This is where they slept. This is 18. Apparently this was the swimming pool. That's kind of scary. This is danger, do not walk here, with a giant black hole next to it. But I think we can walk on this part. This was apparently the swimming pool. Which is kind of crazy. You can see the water like all out there. Some type of hole over here. Oh, I think I saw this online too.
Flashlight.
Oh, it stinks.
Bird.
Here's a. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh, they're finches. They're fine. Where the fuck did they come from?
Oh my. Okay, let's get out of there.
Oh shit!
Oh my god, there's more. I'm putting my hood up. That's the bird that attacked us. Hi, buddy. Molly? Definitely not Molly. A drain right here. don't know what's down there. But yeah, now we're moving on, because 18 was deadly. Oh, there you little... He's trying to say hi. He's waving by. Let's just go with that.
Oh shit.
Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad.
Bye, buddy. Hope to find your dad.
Thanks, Mr. Narwhal.
So this is 19, and there's like a reservoir, however the heck you say it. But it's a dam. Foot traffic. Oh, that's cool. Waterfall.
Water stinks.
I know, it stinks. It's like up here. There's supposed to be German writing on one of the walls. Whoa. What does that even say? PW equals 22.5.45. I don't know what that means. Alright, so this is 20. What was this? The lower dam.
No, that's just what it says on the map. Pump house for the water system. And for the church camp, there's dam, water, and water. Concrete walls for swimming pool for pump house.
This is pretty much where they got their water from. And there's like a little dam down here. I wonder whose hand that is. I wonder if they're dead. Probably. That's probably the water house. I'm assuming they probably like thought they're probably drinking and showering water and that stuff from here. And this is a little pond. See, all that stuff's like in a pond, and then there's like a wall going all the way around. They also said lower dam, so I wonder. Ah, that's probably the dam.
So then this is the swimming area. First swim area and lower dam. So I guess people used to swim. Oh, people might. This might be the dam side, and that might be the old swimming area.
Oh, so they probably for the church camp. Or no, was this where's the swimming pool for the church camp? Okay.
This used to be a pump house.
So people like swam in the pond. There was a pump house there, and then I don't know why I thought they gave the war prisoners a swimming pool. The pool would have been for the church camp. I don't know why I thought they gave the prisoners a swimming pool. 21. Oh, there's something back there too. This is 21. There's like a mess hall. And that kind of stuff. What is that? Some type of door. What? Oh, I thought it was a snake. Oh, this is like underneath. So on top was the mess hall. This is probably like storage, maybe. This is a little door. So that would make sense for this to be storage. So this is just the other side of that. You can see there's just like more supports and stuff. I'm not going on top of that because it doesn't look very stable, but. So this is 24. This is just another bathhouse. This is for like, I guess the people in charge. It's like the for the war, it was probably like the generals and that kind of stuff. And then for the church camp, it was probably like counselors, that kind of stuff. But see the drains and see like where the walls used to be. You see that? So I would assume these were probably either sinks or toilets, and then these were like probably showers.
So those were probably toilets.
Probably.
That was probably water for, like, if the toilets would flood. Maybe.
These were probably showers.
Well, they might have, I don't know.
That's kind of weird though. Imagine full toilets on each of these and just pooping that close to someone else.
I mean, that's what they did back then.
I mean, that was
war too.
It was normal back then. Just nowadays, it's weird. I feel like it'd be less weird to shower next to somebody than it would be to poop next to somebody. I don't know. It's probably just me, but. So we walked up the road a little bit to try to find 28 through 30, and we saw this thing, but it's just for the Appalachian Trail. This is probably just a map. Oh, weird.
We might be able to find that thing. We might be able to find that thing on here.
Oh, I don't like that. Rattlesnake Ridge. We saw like really long grass, but with how many ticks I already found on me, I don't want to walk through long grass. Plus, like, with all the buildings we already saw that there was not really much there, I don't really want to, like, walk through long grass, get probably a bunch of ticks on me just to see a platform. Found the centipede thing on our way back down. It's not focusing completely. Alright, now we're just driving up the road we were just walking on, and it just seems like really, there's this whole area, it just looks like from like a movie where there'd be like some like really creepy guy or like something really creepy would happen.
You have no service?
No. I also saw a video that was like about the like Appalachian Mountains. It was talking about like how old they are, and that like there's still like people like completely off the grid. Like there's no like birth records of them or anything. And so we're also in the Appalachian Mountains, so that makes it also kind of creepy. Still driving down that road. This one looks kind of cool because how straight it is. Oh, it looks cool and impressive, but
Big puddle.
we have 7 minutes until we get to this next spot.